Let's walk through your IV push administration. So first thing we want to do is you want to clean off the surface of your table so it's clean. Very good. Now let's go ahead, gather all of your supplies as you have here. Now you've got the picture that you went home from the hospital with, and we're going to lay out all of the supplies right according to that picture. Now, before we start our administration, we need to wash our hands. All right, let's go ahead, pull your sleeve down, uncoil your line. Okay, now you want to hold the clave in your hand, and you can use both hands because you have the extension on. So go ahead, start with your alcohol wipe, tear it right across, pop out at you. Now you're going to lay that right over the end and twist and turn for 30 seconds. You're cleaning the sides and the top as you do it. At the end of the 30 seconds here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to our normal saline flush. Twist the cap off. Now we want to remove the air. Okay, after we see a couple drops, we want to go ahead and we can begin the flush, join them together, screw that on. If you hold nice and close here, it'll be easier to join the two together. Now, as you go ahead to flush, I want you to use this hand and hold the clave there. Now go ahead, quick and jerky flush. You can go even a little bit faster. Very good. Now turn that off. Lay that aside. Now we go to our next alcohol wipe. Again, tear across the middle. Lay it right over the end. Twist and turn for another 30 seconds. As we finish that 30 seconds, we can now take your medication. Most IV push medications are given over 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead with this one. We're going to go ahead, join them together, hold nice and close. Very good. We're going to go ahead, we're going to give 3 mils, so 3 lines on here, and then we're going to wait 1 minute. Going to wait 1 minute, then we can go ahead again. Now, if we accidentally push 4 or 5 mils at a time, it's okay. Nothing bad's going to happen. We're just going to wait another minute, maybe a minute and a half before we push more. And we're just going to continue that process, pushing and then waiting a minute. And then we'll push a little bit more, and we'll just continue that process till it's all in. Always waiting a minute in between. As we push the last of it in, we can go ahead and screw that syringe right off. Now we're going to go to our alcohol wipe again. We can open that up, pull that out, lay it right over the end of that clave, and we can twist and turn for another 30 seconds. Now we can do our very last normal saline flush. Take the cap off, hold it nice and straight to remove the air. Now connect it, join the two together. Quick and jerky flush, real quick. Excellent. Now you can screw that off. And now your infusion is complete. We can put the line back up. You can very loosely wrap it around your arm. It's a little bit easier when you're using only your one hand. Pull that up and over. And now that'll hold that nice and close so it's not dangling. And your infusion is complete.